For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Hello, I'm Aditya Shukla and you're watching Skymet Weather Report. Let's have a look at how the weather condition in the northeastern part of the country is going to pan out. So currently there's a cyclonic circulation that is prevailing over Bangladesh and adjoining Assam. Due to this cyclonic circulation, there's going to be light to moderate rain in Arunachal Pradesh. Several places in Arunachal Pradesh are going to observe light to moderate rain, while scattered light rain will be observed in Assam. The remaining parts of the northeast region will largely be dry. However, isolated light rain at some places cannot be ruled out. So this situation is going to prevail in northeast region for the next 2 to 3 days. This was your weather update for Northeast India. For more weather updates, log on to skymetweather.com.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.